how to change your account age on Roblox if your Roblox account is under 13. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. And so in today's video we are simply going to be learning how we can change our account's age on Roblox for under 13 users. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So when you created your Roblox account, you just happen to accidentally input an incorrect date of birth, which was maybe under 13 or just some kind of ages like that. And now you figure out that you have very limited features. Maybe you cannot have some privacy setting, other people cannot add you to the servers or so on, because your account is actually restricted and it's underage. Now the first thing you can do is keep in mind that on Roblox you can only change your birthday or your date of birth or your age only once in a lifetime, because if you change it now, you will not be able to change it for the next of the year or whenever your Roblox account exists. So if you want to fix this, the quickest way is to simply delete the account and then create a new account. If you do not have too much Robux in it, if you do not have too many progresses in it, I'll just recommend you to create a new account. But if you really do want this account itself, then just go to roblox.com, sign into your account, click the gear icon from the top right, then go to settings, and then once you go to settings over here, just scroll down and then here you'll find personal and then you'll find birthday. All you need to do is just click on this birthday and then just change it to any of the other age that you want, and then just click on your password and then click on verify, enter the password and verify it, and then you'll be able to change your birthday successfully. That is it on how you can change your age or your birthday on Roblox if your account is under 13, or it also applies to people who are not under 13 as well. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.